Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purur. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The census in Goa will be conducted in two distinct phases. Phase 1 will be house listing and housing census that will begin from 16th April to 15th of May 2026 for Goa. The self-enumeration period will begin tomorrow from 1st of April to 15th of April. Phase 2 of the census is the population enumeration that will begin for the All India country. All India, it will begin from 9th February 2027 and will end at 28th February 2027 in the entire country. The census data will be released with a reference date of 00 hours of 1st March. So the outcome of all the census activities will have a reference date that is the midnight of 28 Feb and the 1st of March 2027. This is the 8th census since independence and this is the 16th census since 1872 when the first census took place. We have divided Goa into 26 charges. These charge officers are deputy collectors and the mamaltadars. The enumerators and supervisors are primarily teachers. I will just give you the figure of the supervisors and enumerators in Goa that we have employed. We are employing 422 supervisors and 2,467 enumerators, including the 10% reserve. So total 3,086 teachers and other government office staff are employed for census in Goa. This is the first digital census. The data collection will happen through a house listing operation app wherein 33 questions are fed in and questions will be in a form of a drop-down menu with the options below where in self-enumeration you can fill in yourself or an enumerator will begin the actual exercise on field from 16th of April which will continue till 15th of May for our state.